Welcome to our video on the top 10 exercises for weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging task, but incorporating the right exercises into your routine can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 exercises that are proven to burn calories and help you reach your weight loss goals. Number 1 on our list is the classic exercise, the squat. This compound movement targets multiple muscle groups, including your legs, glutes, and core. By adding weight to your squats, you'll increase the intensity and burn more calories. Number 2 is the deadlift. This exercise also targets multiple muscle groups, including your legs, back, and core. Deadlifts are a great way to build strength and burn calories. Number 3 is the bench press. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. By adding weight to your bench press, you'll increase the intensity and burn more calories. Number 4 is the row. This exercise targets your back, shoulders, and biceps. Rows are great for building upper body strength and burning calories. Number 5 is the pull-up. This exercise targets your back, shoulders, and biceps. Pull-ups are a great way to build upper body strength and burn calories. Number 6 is the burpee. This full body exercise is great for burning calories and increasing cardiovascular endurance. Number 7 is the mountain climber. This exercise targets your core, legs, and cardio. Mountain climbers are a great way to burn calories and get your heart rate up. Number 8 is the jumping jack. This exercise targets your legs, core, and cardio. Jumping jacks are a great way to burn calories and get your heart rate up. Number 9 is the lunge. This exercise targets your legs, glutes, and core. Lunges are a great way to build lower body strength and burn calories. And last but not least, number 10 is the plank. This exercise targets your core. Planks are a great way to build core strength and burn calories. Closing shot of a person working out, looking confident and determined. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Remember to always listen to your body and consult with a professional if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching.